Hi, in this lesson we are going to see implicit differentiation. Square root of x plus y is equal to 1 plus x squared y squared. For this we have to differentiate. Okay, how to differentiate? What we will think, it is a x plus y to the power of half. Okay, like saying if you are differentiating of x plus y to the power of minus of x, if you differentiate 1, y if you differentiate it will be dy by dx, like that it will come. Again it is inside the square root, so this method will not work out. Got it? So this method will not work out. Always if there is square root, there is a simple way, you have to square it. When you are squaring this one, you have to give justice to right hand side also. Right hand side also you have to square it. So square root of x plus y square 1 plus x squared y squared square. These two I am squaring. What is the purpose? To eliminate the square root. Okay. Previously there is a square root. With the square root we difficult to differentiate. Okay, got it. Now square root and square cancels, x plus y. This one 1 plus, you know, a plus b whole squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, 1 plus 2x squared y squared, x squared y squared square. Those who are not familiar, you just do with this one. Okay, 1 plus 2x squared y squared. This is nothing but x plus y is equal to 1 plus 2x squared y squared plus x power 4 y power 4. Got it? Okay, just rearrange it. X power 4 y power 4 minus, okay, everything bring it that side, 2x squared y squared plus 1 minus x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, x power y for 4, this x plus y I brought that side, okay, is equal to 0. Now you can differentiate because there is no square root, everything is simple one, but here one is differentiation of multiplications, uv does plus vu does. Okay, now I am going to differentiate this one. What is x power 4 uv does? For the multiplication, what is the rule? duv dx uv does plus vu does. Okay, so first one I am keeping as it is. Second one 4y cube dy by dx. Then y power 4. Second one I keep as it is. Can you tell x power 4? 4x cube. Very simple one. Here x cube, if you differentiate, it is 1 only. So this part is over for this one. Now I am going to differentiate 2x squared y squared. Here also, first one I am keeping as it is, 2x squared, y squared I am differentiating 2y dy by dx. Okay, then y squared I am keeping as it is, 2x squared I am differentiating 4x. Got it? 1 if you differentiate, what? It is 0. Minus x you differentiate, minus 1. Minus dy if you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to 0. Now wherever dy by dx is there, this part is 1 dy by dx. This part is 1 dy by dx. Again dy by dx. Let it be in left hand side. Remaining everything you take it to right hand side. X power 4 4x power 4 y cube dy by dx. plus 2x squared 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to, focus it, is equal to 4x cube y power 4, this one 4x y squared minus 1. This, if it goes right hand side, it will be minus, this will be minus, it will be plus 1. Got it? Okay, note it down until that. Okay. Now I am taking dy by dx as common. So what will come? 4x power 4 y cube plus 2x squared 2y is 4x squared y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 4x cube y power 4 minus 4x y squared. Okay. Now simple is 1 minus 4x cube y power 4 plus, okay, note it down. Then the answer is very simple. Dy by dx is equal to 1 minus, better first put this on, this will be the good presentation, minus 4x cube y power 4 here, 4x power 4 y cube plus 4x squared y minus 1. Got it? Got it? Okay. This is the implicit differentiation of square root of 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x squared plus 1 plus x squared y squared. This is the final answer. Note it down. Thank you for watching my videos. See my other videos. Keep learning.